In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive tasks in Clickup. If you're someone who's looking to optimize your workflow by keeping your task view clean and organized, learning how to archive tasks can be a real game changer for you. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. Open your preferred browser and type in Clickup in the search bar or go directly to their website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a Login button located at the top right corner. Click on that, which will bring you to the login page. Now you have the option to either enter your credentials manually or you can take advantage of the Continue with Google option for a quicker login. If you choose the latter, simply select your Google account from the list and you're good to go. This step is especially useful if you want to save time and access your workspace seamlessly. Once you've successfully logged into your Clickup account, it's time to navigate to your specific workspace, where the task you want to archive resides. On the left-hand side panel, you'll find a list of all your spaces. Click on the space that includes the task you're looking to archive. This will open up that particular workspace, allowing you to focus on the tasks at hand. Now, the next step is crucial. To archive a specific task, locate it within your workspace. Once you find it, simply right-click on the task. This will open a context menu where you can find various options related to that specific task. The context menu is a handy tool that provides a variety of actions you can perform, tailored to managing your tasks efficiently. In the context menu, look for the option labeled Archive. Click on it, and just like that, your task will be archived. Archiving a task doesn't delete it. Instead, it hides the task from your main view and moves it to an archived status. This makes it easier for you to focus on current tasks, all the while retaining access to your archived tasks should you ever need to revisit them. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to declutter your task view in Clickup by archiving completed or long-standing tasks. This technique not only helps keep your workspace tidy, but also enhances productivity by letting you concentrate on what's most important at any given time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your tasks more efficiently in Clickup. Make sure to check back for more productivity tips and tricks. Have a great day and happy task managing.